Find or read reviews that most people are talking of LHRIVER Countertop Ice Maker. It is recommended that you do not buy until you have read and studied features or details. Until you are sure really that useful for you. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Equipped with a high-quality R600 compressor, this tabletop ice maker can produce approximately 9 ice cubes in 6 to 8 minutes and up to 26 pounds of ice cubes in 24 hours. You can get fresh ice whenever you want with this low-noise countertop ice maker. With dimensions of 8.7 x 11.6 x 11.4 inch, the compact ice maker will take up little counter space while providing practical functions. Whether for commercial use in coffee shops, bars, restaurants, and KTVs, or for residential use in home kitchens and parties, the portable and powerful ice maker will meet your needs perfectly. The portable ice maker has an advanced self-cleaning feature. Simply press the on/off button for 5 seconds after adding water to use it. Cleaning the machine on a regular basis aids in the removal of harmful substances and the extension of the machine's service life. Our ice maker indicators will remind you to take out the ice cubes when the basket is full and will alert you to add water when the ice maker is low on water. Simple and clear control panel is user-friendly enough for you to operate. The transparent viewing window lets you monitor the ice-making process, and the removable ice basket and ice scoop make removing ice a breeze. The round and smooth bullet-shaped ice will not hurt your mouth and will not easily stick together. The hollow design allows ice to float on your drink without affecting its flavor, making it ideal for whiskey, beer, and drinks. In addition, it can also be used for frozen food and cold first aid. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.